Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create AI presenter videos with Synthesia step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Synthesia website. Sign in to your account and open the main dashboard. Start a new video project and choose an AI presenter from the available avatar options. Browse through the presenters and select one that matches your topic and target audience. Next, enter the script you want your presenter to speak. Keep the script clear, conversational, and well-organized so the presentation flows naturally. After adding your script, choose an AI voice and select the appropriate language. Preview the available voices and choose one that fits the tone of your content. Now customize your presentation by choosing a background, adding text, images, shapes, and other visual elements. You can create multiple scenes to separate different sections of your presentation. Make sure your presenter is positioned correctly and that important information remains visible on the screen. Once your video is ready, preview the entire project. Check the avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, script, and visual layout. If you notice anything that needs improvement, return to the editor and make the necessary changes. Preview the video again until everything looks and sounds correct.
Welcome to the
When you're
Compliance
satisfied with
Basics
the
quiz
result,
template.
generate the video and wait for Synthesia to finish processing it. After processing is complete, watch the final video from beginning to end and make sure the AI presenter delivers your content clearly and professionally. Finally, export the completed video using the available options. And that's how you can create professional AI presenter videos with Synthesia using avatars, voices, scripts, and customizable scenes.